Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Before proceeding to our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share and press the notification button. After their beautiful wedding, Yüksel and Baktaş shared romantic frames from their dinner dates. Continued to make his fans smile. He went to a quiet and cute restaurant by the sea. A perfect romantic atmosphere was created. It looked like a scene from a romantic movie. Rain Red wears a very pretty dress and keeps her hair open, while Bar wears a white shirt. In one photo, Bar was gently holding Rain's hand. In the other photo, they were laughing together. It showed that they were really happy with each other, and shared sweet titles like Double Goals and True Love. It got thousands of likes in a few minutes. Everyone agreed that Rain and Peace seemed perfect together, that their love was so pure and true. The couple also added a sweet title to the photos. Love becomes more delicious when shared. They seem to enjoy every moment together, and are not afraid to show their love to the world. They always make time for each other. On this date night, they say that their love is strong and it has proven once again that it is growing every day. Fans are now looking forward to more romantic updates of this beautiful couple. Thank you all for watching our video. Goodbye to see you in new videos and brand new shares. Stay healthy, happy and peaceful.